how I see the general picture.
Quite exciting independent story. This is just a dash. It's outdated or
Today we conducting a design studio workshop. It's out of the design thinking approach. It's a collaborative way where people come together talking about their ideas and their visions about a problem of a user to solve.
Quantum Systems is at the core of it a hardware manufacturer, a drone manufacturer. But what we are really trying to do is take drones into the next generation. We've got some very impressive technical capabilities and we are doing a lot both in the commercial and in the governmental space. The big idea is taking that technology and moving into the next data aerial intelligence capture scheme.
To be just in input form.
like you put this wrong.
The design studio method is really good if you do it in the beginning of a project, when you start working together. It helps aligning everyone, the people, the skills that are needed. It is important to bring everyone in because we want to create a common understanding of the product. And for this, it's important that not only designers do it, but everyone that is involved.
When you start with the design studio workshop, the very first step is to sketch the crazy eights. It could be some scribbles, like visual elements, but could be some text or a buzzword. And after the crazy eights, you're going to sketch your big picture and you're gonna pitch it to the other people and get feedback on that. In the second iteration, you are creating your next big picture and you will pitch again that improved picture. So the goal is to get very quick feedback rounds to improve in sprints, in iteration. So you have improvement 1, improvement 2, improvement 3.
What we want to try to do today is design an MVP dashboard where one can monitor the data a drone is delivering.
This concept of how a customer uses the online version of whatever software you're using, it's just a vague concept in my mind, and I'm not unique. I'm sure other people have had this idea as well. So to take it from that vague concept and turn it into a bunch of screens effectively and saying like this is a concept, a workflow, it's got a name, it's got a logo, it's got all of these kinds of things. It's very cool, and I love if we can take that same concept and apply it to some of the other elements that are left over.